My name is Suez Ashraf.
Hi, this is Muhammad Abir.
Hi, this is Abid Imam.
Hi, my name is Sidra.
Mohammad Mughaz Ahmed Siddiqui.
Farhan Masood.
Wahib Kamal. Muhammad Uwais.
Uwais Mumtaz.
Faisal Sheikh.
This is Sayyid Wajid.
My name is Noel Shahzad.
Here we are, 2020, closing in on 1,000 people, and quite a full circle sort of situation for me.
I started my journey with Contour in 2010, and it has been a fulfilling and exciting journey.
I started my career as a software developer at the same division, and now I'm working as a director of software development. I have a very good experience at Contour, especially with the career progression and new learning.
Moving on to newer technologies like .NET Core, Angular, React, Vue.js, Hybrid, Xamarin, mobile applications, you name it, and you'll find good and group of people working on that.
So what I'll proudly say is we have become hub and center of excellence, especially in the area of test automation.
Personally, I would say it's been a truly fulfilling as well as exciting experience to be part of and to contribute to this amazing Contour story.
Beyond expectation. While I strongly suggest other people to join Contour House.
The freedom that we have to kind of express ourselves creatively in our own work streams is kind of unparalleled. And other than this, why I can probably never leave Contour is because my son is very well settled in the daycare and with his friends. And if I would even want to, he will not let me do so.
So I've joined in when it was a single suite company, and it grew up to be in more than 3 cities. And I definitely recommend working at Contour Software due to the fact that it provides you a great work-life balance. With other facilities, it takes care of you and your family, provide you medical and everything.
My experience over here has been amazing. Reason over here, there are like a lot of opportunities for learning. You keep on learning new stuff every single day.
We at Contour believe that a balanced life is essential, and we make sure that our employees know that and practice that way.
What I truly appreciate about Contour is that it gives everyone a chance to express their opinion regardless of their designation. This company is a perfect blend of professionalism and family atmosphere.
At Contour, learning every day that we work and enjoy the life here.
Yeah, I have been working in Contour for about 3.5 years, and I started as a fresh graduate, and I cannot be more thankful to the kind of people that I got a chance to work with and the products that I got my hands on initially, and later on my role was enhanced and expanded to a bigger role.
I have been working in Contour Software since more than 7.5 years. I would highly recommend to join Contour Software because the environment, the culture, and the benefits they are providing.
It's a very good place to work in.
Working with Contour has been a fantastic experience. I really enjoy the balance of work and personal life due to their flexible working hours.
The good thing from Contour is that it's a continuous improvement, continuous learning here.
My major responsibility is to facilitate the conversations and drive the best suitable outcomes. Since in Contour it's not just about recruiting the talent, it's about retaining them. So all our efforts are basically towards that road where we need happy and satisfied employees at the end of the day.
This is one of the R&D teams. Hi team, say hi.
Hi. In Contour, we have around 23 teams in support, and we started with just one resource in 2014, and now we are exceeding the count of 80 people.
Oh, yeah, we have a great team here in Lahore office, and we have customer support in Karachi, and we have also a team in the Islamabad office as well.
Well, we are working with latest technologies. On backend, we are using .NET Core, and on UI, we're working with React and the Fabric Toolkit. Well, so far, so good, and it's been a great journey of getting to know each other and learning different verticals of our domain.
Amazing. As you know, I am a part of the GNA team and I work as a legal counselor. Even though I've been here for only 7 months, the work and the corporate environment is excellent.
We are working on the Perseus Internet project, and this is a new exciting thing coming up in Contour.
I'm from Constellation Home Builder Vertical, and we are almost 100 plus team members across Pakistan. And the management over here is really amazing, and the food is really, tasty over here.
For those who are looking to have a professional career, professional learning, I will encourage them to join Contour. It's an amazing place to work.
So yes, Contour is a great place. Come and join it and become part of the Contour.
To all the passionate people out there looking forward for a strong career, I would ask them to join Contour, Software for Life.